This TLM we can use to understand different types of angles and different degrees of angles. Like you can see in one angle it is showing less than 90 degree, so it is acute angle. In the next one it is 90 degree, so it is called right angle. The third one is a complete angle after complete rotation, it is full 360 degree angle. Then there is more than 90 degree angle, which is obtuse angle, straight angle, which is 180 degree, and reflex angle, which is more than 180 degree, so it is reflex angle. Now let us understand how to use a protractor to measure angle through this circle. See, we can see using moving this arrow, this is 90 degree or right angle. Now this is less than 90 degree acute angle, 45 degree we can say. This is 30 degree angle, again it is an acute angle.